Hello! So, welcome and welcome back sa mga nanonood ng channel ko. Hi, it's Mina, your host. Hello! Ayan, so, wala. Gusto ko na ipakita yung mic ko. Ang cute. So, balik na tayo sa regular mic. So, I hope naririnig niyo ako at walang ingay in the background ng mga PC at mga electric fans. So, yes, happy December. December ko. So, yes, hi, happy December. Merry Christmas. Ayan siya mga ante. Uncle, Merry Christmas na. So, this is the time of giving. And, ayun, syempre, if ever may ma-receive naman kayo, be grateful kahit magkano pa. And just be grateful kasi, ano, giving talaga ngayong December. So, ayan. So, before tayo mag-start ng reading, syempre, hindi mawawala yung ating 5 keneso. But before doing that, I will be using sa ating tarot reading ngayon ang Believe in Your Own Magic na Oracle. And of course, yung Tarot of the Divine. Ngayon, may isa pa akong gagamitin, which is yung mga naka-follow sa akin sa ibang social media account ko. Alam na nila kung ano yung gagamitin kong isa. So yes, before anything else, let us do the charot. Gamitin ko lang tong mic ko. Gamitin ko lang to kahit regular, walang reverb. So, pwede lang hit ng mic. Ang ating 5 simple ways to manifest joy and kindness this December. Ayan. So, number 1. Set your December goals. Ayan, mga mamshi, mga auntie, mga uncle. So, ano ba daw yung set your December goals? Ito yung mga parang isusulat mo kung ano yung mga goals mo, ano yung mga gusto mong ma-achieve this month, either or whether it's personal growth or spending more time with your loved ones, ayan, staying consistent with your routines na parang ako, kailangan ko yon. And of course, kailangan clear yung goal mo na super clear para makapag-focus ka dyan sa goal na yan. And of course, the good thing about this as well is visualizing. So, i-visualize mo na you're already achieving these goals right now. Parang manifestation lang yan. So, you have to think that it's already happening and you're already enjoying the fruits of your labor. Ayan. Siya. Number 2, practice daily gratitude. Ano yan? Ito yung mag start ka ng day mo na pwede mong ilista yung 3 things that you are grateful for. Tulad ka ng huling video natin, be grateful na bumangon ka, that's already number 1. Nagumising ka, that's already number 1. Hindi ko alam kung naririnig niyo. Motor, okay. Motor sa paligid. Ngayon kasi, yung gratitude, it is shifting to your energy to a positive state. So, kung babangon ka at gagawa ka or you're going to start your day being grateful, magiging okay yung buong araw mo. Diba? Pwede kang uminom ng to help you have this positive morning with a gratitude and uminom ka ng kape. Ayan, pagising mo cuddle-cuddle with someone. As much as possible, iwasan mo muna yung mag-cellphone pagising mo. Kasi, di ba, sa pag nag-Facebook ka, minsan depende sa ano natin yan eh. Depende kung ano yung nasa feed natin. Minsan baka napaka-negative, which is no, 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 no. Okay? And yeah, journal. Always have at least a journal beside you, beside your bed, para at least ready ka na pagising mo, ayan, or pagtulog mo before you sleep, grateful ka pa din. I am grateful for what happened today. Mga ganyan. Okay. So, number 3, create, number 3, create cozy moments for yourself. Sa sarili mo. Ayan. So, December kasi can be really busy. Alam niyo yan. And, minsan baka makalimutan na natin ng yung self-care, yung self-love, ganyan. So, what would be the best thing or the simplest way? Kasi nga simple, di ba? Simplest way for you to do a self-love. So, you have to cozy moments ba? So, you can light a candle, You can watch your favorite movie. You can drink whatever you want. Ayan. Except, syempre, as much as possible, wag beer, wag alak. But if wine, if is comforting you, why not? Ba? The things that are comforting you. Um, ano pa ba yung mga, anything that you think that can help you relax. Ayan, that is create a cozy moment for yourself. So for yourself, ha, not with anyone else. Number 4, spread kindness everywhere. Ito yung feeling ko not simple kasi mahirap. Mahirap. Kasi syempre may mga maldita, maldito. But just spread kindness. Wag masyadong mainit ang ulo. Let's try and embrace and the spirit of giving by doing one kind act every day. One lang naman, hindi naman sinabing whole day. So, one kind act every day. Ayan. Pwedeng, sabi dito, small gesture like holding the door for someone. O, di ba? Kind na yun. Leaving a kind note. Sending a message to someone that you care about. Pwede ding message na, kamustahin mo, yung mga dapat mo kamustahin. Na nakalimutan mong replyan 5 months ago. Or, if you have anak, syempre, try kissing them every day, hugging them every day. It's already kindness. Kasi yung act of kindness, mga mamshi, mga ante, mga uncle, it actually creating a ripple effect na pag ginawa mo yon, the people that you are showing your kindness, gagawin din nila yun sa iba. So, spread kindness everywhere. Number 5, the last but not the least, plan for an amazing 2025. Ayan. Oh, eh. And so, reflect on your wins. So, reflect mo lahat yung mga wins mo this year, mga lessons mo this year. Isulat mo yung mga bagay-bagay na will help you to move forward. Ayan. And, move forward at yung mga iiwan mo ng 2024. Kasi this will allow you to have space, clear mind, clear goal, and an open heart for an amazing 2025. And of course, if ever marami time kayo na maging eme, you have to create a vision board or try nyo lang mag-write ng mga affirmations nyo na gusto nyong ma-manifest for 2025. Ayan. So that ends our 5 simple ways to manifest joy and kindness this December. Sana hindi nagre-reverb tong mic na to para hindi ko na ulitin. Higit ng heart. Shake ko lang. And yes, of course, before tayo mag-start ng ating tarot reading, please consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell. Mag-comment kayo kung nagustuhan niyo yung 5 simple ways natin. And, syempre, sa ating tarot reading, remember na ang lahat ay may free will. So, mga auntie, mga uncle, nasa inyo yan. If you wanna believe or not, nasa inyo yan. We have the free will. Kung hindi maganda yung nangyari, if hindi maganda yung reading for your month, for your sign, I'm so sorry. Yun lang naman yung sinabi ng card, not my fault. I am just reading and explaining. Wag po kayong magalit sa akin. Ayan. So, bahala kayo kung mag-resonate o hindi. Bahala na kayo dyan. So, yes. Ayan. Let's go na sa ating reading. Hello, dear Scorpios. So, this is the reading for you guys. Ayan. Shuffle lang natin ang ating card. One more. Ayan. Anong mga plano nyo this holiday season? Anong mga plano nyo? Punta ba kayo sa ibang bansa? Sa kapitbahay? Anong plano? Okay, Scorpio. Nine of Wands. Ace of Swords. Queen of Swords. The Hierophant. The Star. Wow. Eight of Wands. And wow, the Emperor. So, itong December, since it's of course it's December Pasko, I can see na aside from Christmas, para sa ating mga may Scorpio Sun, Moon, and Rising, aside from Christmas, there will be another event na isi-celebrate mo or ng family niyo, but within your community, there is a celebration aside sa Christmas na mangyayari. Hindi natin alam kung may ikakasalo. Diba? But this is actually a good month for you kasi it's a celebration with someone na sa community mo. Not just Christmas. Maybe you are not, uh, let's say, kunyari, hindi ka naman katoliko, di ba? So, meron kayong celebration sa mga hindi Catholic or Catholic at hindi Catholic, parehas naman. Pero sa Catholic kasi may Christmas. So, aside from Christmas, ngayon naman sa mga hindi Catholic, there is a big celebration din na mangyayari within the community. Okay? Even though if you're not Catholic, there is still a celebration that will happen this December, which is, I think, the good thing about the celebration kasi it's like you want it to happen, you wish na mangyari to, and it's actually a stability, being stable. I don't know until if this is a wedding. Kasi para maging stable ka, maging stable si partner mo, something like that. I don't know if it's about you or someone sa family mo is getting married which you really wanted. And also for being stable. Ayan siya sa Scorpio. So, yeah. And belated happy birthday. Okay. Ayun na nga. So, meron tayo ditong Ace and Queen of Swords. So, siguro yung mangyayari lang na medyo difficulty for this month for you is marami kang iisipin. Ang dami yung bagong isipin na you have to consider all the people around you. So, this is actually the celebration that I'm talking about. Kasi parang I don't know kung ikaw ang magmamanage. Kasi medyo stressful ang mga bagay-bagay na ito. And hindi lang kasi yung sarili mo yung iisipin mo sa pagmamanage ng celebration na to eh. You have to think of everyone na involved dito sa celebration na to. Huh? OMG. And yun lang yung para magiging problem is how you will think of plans on how to execute this celebration na it will involve a lot of people, which is medyo mahirap siya kasi nga hindi lang naman sarili mo yung iniisip mo right now. But the good thing about this is, sabi nga dito, if kikilos ka, mabilis mong mas-resolve kung ano man yung mga dapat mong ayusin. So, kung masipag kung kikilos ka. But then again, if wala kang gagawin, isip ka lang ng isip, pero walang nagagawa, you're just planning, pero walang execution, it will be very slow, at walang, hindi siya magiging maayos. So, be careful. Okay? Yun lang naman yung ano na dito. You have to plan and execute. Hindi puro plano lang. Ayan. And also, the good thing about this is, after this event, everything will be fruitful. baka magkapera ka pa after ng event na to. Sobrang fruitful niya, sobrang saya, sobrang full of love, full of madaming. Everyone will be happy. Everyone is busog. Lahat ay mabubusog. But I see this is a success. Huwag ka lang tatamarin. So, yun lang yung sinasabi na. And yeah, of course, you have to think of things that you can do. And then once may plano ka na, you have to execute it, ha? Hindi puro plano. If you want somebody else to help you go, you have to gawin mo lahat ng pwede mong gawin para matuloy to kasi this is actually a good plan. But, ang sabi sa atin ng ating Believe in Your Own Magic Oracle, hindi siya but, and pala. But, of course, always make sure na after planning these things or whenever you're planning these things, to still think of yourself. Of course, sarili mo pa rin ang priority mo kahit anong sabihin ng ibang tao sa decision mo dito sa event na to. Tignan mo yung sarili mo, check yourself kung okay ka pa ba. Okay, i-priority mo ang sarili mo, hindi ang ibang tao. If this is your own event, syempre dapat ikaw ang star. Diba? Ikaw ang watasyo star ng event na to. Good luck, congratulations. And of course, Scorpio, ah, kuha lang tayo ng maasim-asim na advice from Saint Pachon Girl. So, this deck is just for fun. If it resonates, di ba? Diba? Pag hindi, edi hindi. Kulang ka lang sa dilig. Baka para makapag-isip ka ng magandang plano. Magpadilig ka. O dumilig ka. Bahala ka. Ayan. Scorpio. My goodness. Pati yung card from Sasa Girl, napaka-Scorpio. So, yan. Sa mga Scorpio sun, Moon and Rising, that's all for me. Thank you. Merry Christmas. Happy Holidays. Bye-bye.